Hey there, beach lovers. Today we're going to cover a hidden gem on Florida's Gulf Coast called Cape San Blas. This beach is absolutely stunning. We will also cover some of the area attractions that you may want to add to your agenda, and we'll do a follow-up video that'll cover the accommodations that we used when we visited this area. Trust me, you're going to want to pack your bags after this. Welcome back to the channel. Let's dive into your next beach vacation. Cape San Blas is located on Florida's 30A highway. It's about 70 miles from some of the more popular and crowded 30A beaches. Imagine you and your family relaxing on the white sand beaches with plenty of space between you and your neighbors to really spread out and enjoy the day. Bring your speaker, your umbrella or beach tent, and a wagon full of beach gear to have a memorable day in the sun. We'll link some of our favorites down in the description box below. If you have a fur baby in your family, they're also welcome on Cape San Blas beaches, so bring them along. We hunted for some sand dollars and found a few pieces of those, but warning, we also found a few jellyfish or pieces of jellyfish, which can sting you too. After that breathtaking sunset, you're in for yet another treat. Grab a bundle of firewood from the local store and have a fire right there on the beach. This had to be my favorite part because fires have always been banned from other beaches that I have visited in the past. Simply dig yourself a hole, build your fire, you can roast your hot dogs and maybe have some s'mores, and then once you're finished for the night, you simply cover the hole up with sand. Also, don't forget to pack your flashlights and your crab hunting gear because this beach had a ton of crabs that came out once the stars lit up the night sky. Soaking up the rays on the beach are not the only thing you can do in Cape San Blas. Let's talk through some of the area attractions. First up, Loggerhead Trail. This is a trail that runs the full length of the Cape. There are local grocery stores and restaurants, things like that nearby. We picked up a low country boil and some fresh crab legs there one evening, so check that out if you decide to stay here. Next up, let's talk Apalachicola Bay. This is a nature reserve that you can only access by boat, but if you want to take in some beautiful scenery and maybe catch some of the local nature, this would be somewhere you would want to visit. Port St. Joe was a super quaint little town that had a ton of little shopping centers, different boutique shops, souvenirs, things like that. There were also some restaurants and Piggly Wiggly and a DG Market if you needed to stock up on some groceries. Weewahichka and the Dead Lakes. It's also another nature-friendly kind of vibe if you wanted to go with your family and catch some of the nature. This place is evidently super great with fishing. So if you are a fisherman and you're not having luck out on the beach, definitely want to check out the Dead Lakes at Weewahichka. If you're visiting in May, Weewahichka also has a Tupelo Honey Festival, which looks like it would be great fun. Next up, we have a state park that is very close to the place that we stayed. It was actually right next door. There are plenty of things that you can do in this state park. They list all of their experiences and amenities on their website. And as you can see, it's quite the list of things to keep you entertained. So that really wraps it up, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps us build our channel and continue to bring you content like this. Next up, we will do a video to cover the amenities of the condo that we stayed at when we visited Cape San Blas. So check out that video and see you next time.